Welcome to the CQ Blind Hams YouTube channel, the place where you can find audio demos of radios and other equipment that is accessible to blind amateur radio operators.
This is November Echo 5 Victor Chris.
Control. Play 3.
And I'm working on the idea of doing a tutorial on
Record pause.
on the RT Systems software for the THD74A. There's been lots of other tutorials on how to program this radio by hand, especially on analog. D-Star, which I'm kind of focusing on, is a little bit rougher to do. But we'll see what happens with this. This works best with NVDA. I do have some JavaScripts for this, or the RT Systems, and also have some for the Kenwood version of the programming software. But there's one particular feature in D-Star that I like this program much better for, and we'll probably get to that towards the end of this tutorial. But meanwhile, here's a look at some of the main features of this RT Systems. First thing you'll want to do is open up RT Systems and then read the radio configuration into the configuration file. And you do this by hitting the Alt key, arrowing to the right to communications, and then read data from radio.
Go control.
Anyway, I went ahead and brought up a configuration file that I've already created, so I don't have to do a lot of this. But at least on my version of the RT Systems, the first things that come up are the memory default channels. Well, there's 1,000 of them. It's a good thing because D-Star is a memory hog. We'll get to this in a little bit. I'm using a hotspot for D-Star because I live in a rural area, and there's really no close D-Star repeater to get into, but the hotspot is kind of like a mini repeater, so it's pretty much the same for setting up a repeater or whatever. It's pretty much do it the same way. But this is where it actually starts. But there's probably a few things you want to get to in the menus, and you know it's got a lot of different menu settings.
Menu bar, toolbar, edit.
So
Communicate settings.
I hit the Alt key to bring up the menu, and I'm going to arrow over here to where it says Settings.
Toolbar. Bank settings tab, Control plus B check. Bank names and linking ...
Some of these things are accessible and some aren't. Bank settings and bank names I have not been able to get into.
Preferences ...
Preferences I've pretty much left alone.
Toolbar, check, show or hide the toolbar.
Down.
Status bar, check, show or hide. Radio menu settings ...
I'm going to go into the radio menu settings.
Menu settings for TH-D74- Chris line 04 line 23 line 2019. RSF dialog. Tab 1 tab control. Dialog gain. RX grouping. Beat shift combo box type 1 col.
Anyway, you're in one of the menu settings that you first bring up.
Detect out select combo box off left paren. Beat shift combo box type 1 collapsed.
And a lot of these things are explained in other tutorials, but evidently there's a setting in here when if you have a lot of spurious emissions or whatever, a lot of noise, there's about 8 types that you can use to maybe correct that problem. I've left that alone. I haven't touched this.
Detect out select combo box off left paren.
Tab.
AF right paren. Collapsed.
You have several choices here, and I've left this on off. You have choices of
if, off, if, detect, if, off left paren, if,
IF and detect.
Off left paren, MW/SW antenna combo box bar antenna collapsed.
Now this function, of course, is used for the antenna that receives anything up to 10 megacycles. There's a bar antenna
and connector. Bar antenna.
Or you can arrow up to antenna connector, where you can put a longer antenna on this thing to receive HF signals, because this thing will cover all sorts of things.
WX alert checkbox not checked.
Of course, this is for your weather alerts. You have a group of weather channels in the 7400. You have 10 weather channels in a group. All the more common NOAA weather radio frequencies. We'll tab again.
TX grouping. TX inhibit checkbox not checked.
Okay, this you can inhibit your transmit with, of course.
Time dash out timer combo box 3.0 minutes collapsed.
You have several choices here. So what I've got here is where if the radio transmits from 3 minutes, after 3 minutes it's going to time out.
Mic sensitivity combo box medium collapsed.
And I've left this alone. It's on medium right now. This was default and I left it alone. You have a choice of
high, medium, low, medium.
3 choices.
RX filter grouping. SSB high cut combo box 2.4 kHz collapsed.
And
2.2 kHz, 2.4 K, 2.6, 2.8, 3, 2.6 K, 2.4 kHz.
Anyway, this is for your single sideband, how wide the filters are. And I have this one at 2.4.
CW width combo box 1.0 kHz collapsed.
CW width.
AM high cut combo box 6.0 kHz collapsed.
And that's for your AM.
A band TX power combo box high collapsed.
Let's see, what's this?
A band TX power combo box high collapsed. B band TX power combo box economic low collapsed. A band TX power combo box high medium low. Economic low.
There's your power setting for each band. A.
B band TX power combo scan grouping. Resume combo box carrier collapsed.
These are your scanning choices. You can kind of have a better look at these, because if I try going through all of these, it's going to take a long time.
Resume left paren. Digital right paren. Combo box time restart combo box 5 seconds collapsed. Carrier restart priority scan checkbox not checked.
I haven't done any priority
Auto backlight checkbox checked. Auto repeater offset checkbox checked.
Ooh, there's your auto repeater offset, so I check it.
Repeater grouping. Call key combo box call collapsed.
What's this?
1750 Hz. Call. 1000 call.
Okay, that's your call key. You can have it go to a call channel or put a 1750 Hertz tone, which we don't need here.
1750 Hz TX hold checkbox not checked. Box grouping. Vox enable checkbox not checked.
You can run this thing on Vox if you have a set of headphones or whatever.
Combo box 7 collapsed. Delay combo box 750 milliseconds collapsed. TX on busy checkbox not checked. CW grouping. Reverse combo box normal collapsed.
Yeah. So, there's your CW.
Others grouping.
Let's see, what's that?
Others grouping.
Others.
LED control grouping. RX checkbox checked. FM radio checkbox not checked.
There's your LED
Ping.
settings. Now, unfortunately, you reach a certain point, and about all you can do is you can't seem to get out of this. Menu or whatever. The tab doesn't work, so I found I have
Files
to go
tab
back in here.
APRS AP GPS configuration common C. APRS2 common C.
Anyway, I'm back in the tab controls. You have all sorts of different menu choices here. Common,
Configuration C.
configuration,
GPS G.
GPS,
APRS1
APRS,
APRS2 Common C. Configure Common C. GPS G. Configurations.
the GPS menu and the APRS menus. I don't know. Don't really offer a whole lot of choices. About the only thing I've ever done in there is put in my call. Oh, but let's see here.
GPS G. Configuration C. Common C.
That
Configuration.
was the common we were in a while ago. Let's look at the
Menu settings for THD74- Chris line 04 line 23
So
line
hit enter.
2019.RSF dialog. TX equalizer left balance combo box A:100/B:100 balance combo box A:100/B:100 collapsed.
Okay, there's the balance between each band because this thing can operate dual band mode, so you can set where one band can be louder than the other. I haven't got it that way.
TX equalizer left paren, FM, and FM right paren, checkbox not checked.
I have not messed with the equalizers.
TX equalizer left paren, DV right paren, checkbox not checked. Receive equalizer checkbox not checked. TX equalizer level grouping. 0.4 kHz combo box 0 collapsed.
I really haven't messed with
3.2
this,
kHz combo
you can
box
change a whole lot of things
0.8
here if you
kHz
want.
1.6 3.6 beep left paren, a right paren, checkbox checked. Beep volume combo box level 5 collapsed. Beep left RX equalizer level group. Beep left paren, a right paren, checkbox checked.
Okay, so you can do
Beep
these
volume
beeps.
combo box level 5 collapsed. Voice guidance combo box manual 2 collapsed.
Now here's your voice guidance. You have several choices here.
Manual 1, auto, off. Auto, manual 1, manual 2. USB audio level combo box level 7 collapsed.
I haven't messed with this USB audio, but evidently you can feed audio into different things.
Voice guidance volume combo box level 5 collapsed.
There's your volume for your voice guidance.
Battery grouping. Battery saver combo box 1.0 second collapsed.
And I haven't really messed with these either, so I'd like to turn the battery saving features on and
Auto
off.
power off combo box 60 minutes collapsed.
Well, I did have this, where if no activity happens, the transceiver turns off in an hour.
Bluetooth grouping. Bluetooth enable checkbox checked.
And I have not messed
Auto
with
connect
this.
checkbox checked.
I have a friend who
Auto connect checkbox checked.
Who's
Device
done
name
this?
auxiliary grouping. PF1 key combo box battery level collapsed.
now here's a rather important section here. The THD74A has two programming keys. It's the equivalent of the 9 key and the pound key, and you can have different things happen. There's all sorts of different choices, and I won't go into all of these because there's a lot of these that I don't use. But the ones that I have my 9 key set to give me a battery level. But just to kind of give you an idea, go up to the top.
Voice
of this.
recording. Book recording. Voice message 1. Voice message 2.
I've never used these either. with these, if you have an SD card in the radio, you can make recordings and voice messages that'll play. But that's just something I've never done.
Voice message 3. Voice message 4. Voice guidance. Battery level. Box. Group name. Balance. GPS. Track log. Squelch. Shift. Step. Low. Key lock. Lockout. M greater V. T.cell. New. Voice alert. LCD brightness. DTMF-CH0. Echo link CH0. 1750 Hz tone. M.in.
Anyway, there's a lot of choices. You can have these PDF keys too.
Group name. Box. Voice battery box. Battery level. PF2 key combo box voice guidance collapsed. PF1 key left paren. Mic right paren.
Then if you have an external mic, you can set the PF keys.
Units grouping. Altitude comma. Rain combo box speed collapsed. Speed comma. Distance combo box me/h collapsed.
Okay, so then you can, these are your
auxiliary grouping. PF3 key units grouping. Speed comma. Distance combo box me/h collapsed. KM/h. Knots. NM. Knot. NM. Knot. KM/h. Me/h. Altitude comma. Rain combo box speed collapsed. Inch. M. MM. M. Inch. Feet.
There's your altitude.
Temperature combo box F collapsed.
And a lot of these are for satellite and packet or APRS, which I'm
latitude
using.
comma. Longitude combo box DD degrees mm. Tick collapsed. Grid square combo box Maidenhead grid collapsed.
Yeah, you have two choices
SAR
there.
Group. Lock grouping. Keys lock type units grouping. Grid square combo box SAR grid. Maidenhead lock grouping. Keys lock type combo box frequency lock collapsed. Key lock. Frequency lock. Key lock. Frequent DTMF keys lock checkbox not check. Mic keys lock checkbox. Volume lock checkbox not check. Interface grouping. USB function combo box COM plus AF collapsed. If output. Mass storage. If output. COM plus AF.
Oh, there's a bunch of stuff here on the USB connector. You can use it, of course, normally for reading and writing data to the radio. You can also, if you have an SD card, you can go down there to mass storage and write and read from your SD card. Or actually write to the SD card, I guess, in this case. You can look and see what's on it if one needs to. But that's that section there.
PC output left paren. GPS right paren. Combo box USB collapsed. PC output left paren. APRS right paren. KISS combo box USB collapsed. DV/DR combo box USB collapsed. System grouping.
Wow.
Language combo box English collapsed.
Of course, this one you have English system. This is your system language.
Japanese. English. Date and time grouping. Time zone combo box UTC-05:00 collapsed.
Alright, that's for your time display, UTC -5 in my case.
Display grouping. Backlight control combo box manual collapsed. Backlight color combo box black collapsed.
Of course, that doesn't necessarily mean anything. There's the backlight.
Backlight timer combo box 30 seconds collapsed. LCD brightness combo box high collapsed. Power on message edit. Selected NE5V.
There's the message that comes on when I power on the radio.
Single band display combo box date collapsed. GPS left paren. Date. GPS left paren. Altitude right paren. Off. Date. Meter type combo box type 1 collapsed. FM radio group. Auto mute return time combo box 3 seconds collapsed. Pain.
Anyway, and then there's a bunch of stuff that I can't get to again. So this menu has its quirks.
File submenu Alt, Tab submenu, Common C, Configuration C, GPS, APR, Common C. Tab submenu Alt plus,
But
menu settings
anyway,
for TH-D.
the heart of this thing now comes to that I really wanted to talk more about is D-Star. On the settings here, one of the more important things that you got to do is put your call and make sure that it's in here. So if I
File sub, help submenu, tab submenu Alt plus T. Files, help submenu, tab submenu Alt plus T.
okay, so I close this.
TH-D74 programmer Chris line 04 line 22 line 2019.TH-D74 star. Channel 00.
So now we're back here at the memory display.
Settings. D-Star.
I'm going to right arrow after I hit the Alt key till I get over to settings. Then I'm going to down
Toolbar.
arrow.
Digital D-Star calc. Digital left paren. D-Star right paren. Settings ... D-Star settings dialog.
I'm going to go to D-Star
Automatically
settings.
insert call signs entered in memory channels checkbox checked.
Auto insert call sign and memory channels that you want to probably select that one.
Pane. Selected my call sign combo box M02 collapsed. M01 NE5V /D74.
Now you can enter your call sign. There's an edit box to the left.
Pane.
Or shift tab there. There's a thing that says pane. You can type in your call sign there.
Selected my call sign, pane. Selected TX message combo box 1 collapsed.
Now this is a text message. You can either have them on or off that follows your call sign, and a lot of people put like a name and QTH here. Like mine, I have
Pane.
Quiz Lib Hill. Let me see here.
D-Star settings dialog. Automatically in pane. Selected pane. OK but cancel button. TH-D cancel button. Yes button Alt plus Y. Cancel button. D-Star settings dialog. OK button. TH-D. Channel 0. Channel 000.
Alright, here we go.
Limit memories table. DR memories. Call channels. BFO table. Weather table.
6.
Check.
There's. Anyway, when you bring this D-Star, or when you bring this RT system software up, there's a. It goes to the memory channel defaults, which is. Oh, what? That's your 1,000 memory channels. And you can make changes, which we'll go through in here. But there's 6 different tables. There's 6 different tables in here. And you can adjust these tables with the F7 and F8 keys. They don't wrap. But the first one is your memories. We'll talk about all of these in a little more detail.
Limit memories table.
Here's your
Channel
limit
0
memories
receive
table.
frequency edit 145.00000.
I haven't used these, but here you have this radio has 49 or 50 pair of where you can program upper and lower band limits to scan. I haven't really done much of that, but you have an upper and lower limit. Right now I have one programmed in for 2 meters. I was just wanting to play with it and make sure it worked, because gosh, out here there's not a whole lot to hear. in this rural area.
DR memories table.
DR
Channel
memory.
0000 receive frequency edit 434 point.
Now this is a list of D-Star repeaters. Radios capable of holding 1,500 of these entries. And so anyway, this comes into play a little bit later. This repeater list, but these are all right in here. These are all over the world where you can get a list of repeaters. Okay, and then
Call channels table.
and then the
Channel
list of call
VHF left
channels.
paren and 100 and 200, 200
There's 6 of them.
146.64000. Channel VHF left paren, analog right paren, receive frequency edit 146.64000. 145.13000. Channel VHF left paren, digital right paren, receive frequency edit 145.13000. 223.50000. Channel 220 left paren, analog right paren, receive frequency edit 223.00000. Channel 220 left paren, digital right paren, receive frequency edit 223.00000. 446.00000. Channel UHF left paren, analog right paren, receive frequency 440.00000. Channel UHF left paren, digital right paren, receive frequency.
Anyway, I didn't realize that, but there's 6 call channels in this radio, and by default, 2 are set on 2 meters, 2 are set on 220, 2 are set on 440. And one's an analog call channel and one is a digital call channel. So theoretically, you could set up your call channels to do whatever you want there. But that's another one of these tables. Alrighty, and now I'm going to hit
VFO table.
What I didn't realize when I first did this is there are 13 VFOs you can program in this radio. I'm not used to that many. But each one has a, they've got all of the tab controls. They've got all of the normal settings that you can have. But
146.64000. Channel A: 144 offset frequency. Channel A: 144 offset frequency combo box 600 kHz collapsed. Channel A: 1.
Anyway, you go.
Channel A: 220 receive frequency edit 223.000. Channel A: 220 offset Channel A: 440 receive frequency edit 440.00000. Channel A: 400. Channel A: 440 offset direction. Channel A: 440 operating mode combo box DV collapsed. Channel A: 440 receive frequency. Channel B: AM receive frequency edit 0.590.
Anyway, interestingly enough, you have 3 modes of operation on mode A, or band A in this thing. You've got AM, or you got FM, or DR modes. But you have one on 2 meters, one on 220, one on 440. And then on band B, you have roughly 10 other VFOs that cover any frequency from I guess, 300 kilohertz on up to 512 megahertz. It covers quite a bit of territory. But each one of these VFOs are labeled. I'm not going to go in through all of these because this would take way too long.
Channel A: 440. Channel B: 50. Comment edit. Channel B: 50 receive frequency. Channel B: HF receive 0.59000.
All right, that's
Channel
the
B:
AM band. You also got
7.29000.
HF BFO.
50.125.
There's your 6 meter VFO.
88.50.
There's your FM broadcast VFO.
118.07500.
There's your aircraft VFO.
146.64000. Channel B: 144 offset frequency. Channel B.
Then you have your 2 meter frequency VFO.
Channel B: VHF receive frequency edit 180.
Then you have a VHF receive frequency
223.0.
your 220 VFO.
432.50.
Then you have your
475.
It's kind of interesting. I didn't realize there were that many VFOs. But
Weather table.
of course, then you
Channel
have your,
receive frequency edit
then you have your 10 weather
160.
channels. If you have, so now I'm going to go back all the way with F7, go back to the memory defaults. Okay, we should be there.
Channels.
It didn't say it, I just hit it. Now, I'm mainly going to concentrate here on D-Star. I mean, everybody knows about entering analog frequencies, probably. But because everybody does it by hand and all of this, but you are capable of doing it. My main thing here with this RT system is D-Star. Whether you're using a hotspot or repeater, there's actually quite a few steps that you go through to work D-Star. Each repeater or hotspot has 4 channels that are common. You have a talk frequency. You have a status frequency or status memory. I'll put it that way. A talk memory, status memory, echo memory, and an unlinked memory. You need these at the very least with every hotspot frequency or repeater frequency that you plan to use. That's just the first part of it. If you want to link to repeaters or reflectors, well, then that's something else again. But we can look at some of these. I'm sitting here on my talk frequency, so my frequency is 432.
Channel 000 transmit. Channel 000 receive frequency edit 432.500.
My frequency is 432.5.
Channel 000 transmit frequency edit 432.50000. Channel 000 offset frequency combo box 000 kHz collapse.
This is simplex.
Channel
so
000 offset direction
like
combo box simplex collapse. Channel 000 operating mode combo box DR collapse.
Now for repeaters, hotspots, whatever, if you're going to talk into reflectors and gateways and the like, you want the DR mode. There's several choices of modes here. You got
Channel 000 operating mode combo box DR collapsed.
Got several things here.
DR, FM.
You've got FM,
DR, AM,
AM,
LSB,
LSB,
USB,
USB,
CW, NFM,
narrow FM,
DB,
and DV.
NFM, DV, NFCUL, DR, FM, DR,
Anyway, I want DR in this case, so I'm going to leave it there.
ping. Channel 000 name edit CQ.
That's, you can call this a memory name. This is one that was written by a friend of mine, so what it's actually doing is it's saying, I want to talk to anybody here.
Channel 000 tone mode combo box non-collapse disable change operating mode to FM to enable dot.
So this, of course, all of this is for analog.
Channel 000 CTCS, Channel 000 RX CTCS, Channel 000 DCS, Channel 000 DCS Pole, Channel 000 lockout checkbox notch, Channel 000 step combo box 25 kHz collapsed.
Let's see what that is.
Channel 000 find step enable checkbox not checked.
See, this is on the 430 megahertz band, so I like to have the step size at 25. You can have that at 5, 10, 12 and a half or whatever, but I like 25.
Channel 000 find step combo box 20 Hz collapsed.
Now that's used in single sideband if you're gonna, you can kind of vary that a little bit.
Channel 000 digital squelch combo box off collapse.
Leave
Channel
that
000 digital code. Channel 000 your call sign edit CQ.
Now here's the heart of this. This is where the D-star columns are. So you have, it says your call sign. So what it's going to do is put my call sign, NE5V. You'll have CQ.
Channel 000 RPT-1 call sign edit NE5VB.
Now, you'll have a from repeater and a destination repeater. In the case of the hotspot, you're going to use in my case, B. The convention here is if you have a 440 or 430 node, the last letter is going to be B. If you have one on 1290, they use A. 440 is B. 2 meters would be C. And I think there's a
Channel 000 RPT-1 call sign edit NE5VB.
Now, interestingly enough, if you're gonna
Channel 000 RPT-2 call sign edit Channel 000 RPT-1 call sign edit NE5VB.
That's very important, though, how you do this. If you're doing this by hand, what you got to do is you have your call sign, which is up to 6 characters, and in the eighth position, you put the letter B in this case, which is your local repeater node.
Channel 000 RPT-2 call sign edit NE5VG.
Now, what happens here is the destination repeater, in this case, is my local node. And this one on the end of it has NE5V space G, which is the node for the internet gateway. So in most cases here, when I'm doing the hotspot, all my RPT1s are going to be NE5V space B. RPT2 is going to be NE5V space G.
Channel 000 comment edit.
And this I can put a channel comment.
Channel 001 receive. Channel 002 receive frequency edit 432.500000.
Now this one's going to be my status deal.
Channel 002 transmit channel.
So I'm going to go over to the D-star. It's going to look very similar.
Channel 002 find step enable. Channel 002 RPT-1 call sign edit NE. Channel 002 your call sign edit E. Channel 002 digital code combo box 0 collapsed. Channel 002 your call sign edit E.
No, I take that back. This is going to be, this is the echo memory. Yeah, this is the echo memory that I'm looking at. And what it has my call sign NE5V space E. And that tells my hotspot to echo back.
Channel 002 RPT-1 call sign edit NE5VB. Channel 002 RPT-2 call sign edit NE5BG. Channel 002 comment edit.
Yeah.
Channel 003 receive frequency edit 432.500.
And this one's going to be an unlink, so rather than go through all of this.
Channel 002 your call sign edit E.
Yeah. That one has an E, does it? Let's see.
Edit.
Whoops, that's not what I wanted. I want this
E.
to be
E. W5SFACL U. E. U. Chan E. I. CQC I. E. U. Channel 003 your.
And then the fourth one it's an unlinked command. And in that one field where it has your call sign, it's going to have a U. Now, if you're going to call a reflector,
W5SFACL REF004BL.
You program
Channel 005 digital code. Channel 005 RPT-1 call sign edit. Channel 005 your call sign edit REF0.
in the call signs, you have that one field where it says your call sign. You can have something that says, like I want to connect to reflector 4 Bravo. This one says REF004BL. And I can go down through a lot of these, but I don't think I'm going to do that. But anyway, now the selling point to me for this RT Systems makes this particular section a little bit easier. Say I wanted to program, I was starting this out from scratch, and I wanted to program in several reflectors for my hotspot. Now, you can do this for repeaters or whatever. So I'll show you this. I'm going to go over here to the settings.
Menu at Communic settings. D star.
Past it where it says D star.
Digital left paren. D star calc.
And I'm going to go down to this thing that says D star cal. I'm going to hit enter on this thing.
Source grouping. Source repeater checkbox checked.
Now,
Search button. Name edit. Close button. Source grouping. Name edit. Search button. Source repeater checkbox checked. Country combo box United. Source repeater checkbox checked.
if you're going to program a repeater for your input, and that's going to be actually the frequency you're going to use to do all this, you can use a repeater. So what you can either search for a repeater name or anything like that. We'll show you this. This is the source repeater.
Country combo box United States collapsed.
So you've got all of these various countries you can go.
Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Bulgaria, Canada, Chile, China, Colombia, Croatia, Curacao, Cyprus, Czech Republic,
So,
United Kingdom, Ukraine, United States.
so I'm going to go to United States. I'm going to tab over here.
State combo box collapsed. Alabama, Alaska, Texas.
There's my state, Texas.
City combo box collapsed. Call sign combo box collapsed. City combo box collapsed. Abilene, Allen, Arlington, Austin, Belleville, Big Spring, Richmond, Brownsville, Bruceville, Bryan, Cedar Hill.
Anyway, my closest city is going to be Wahlberg.
Walbig, Waco, Walbig.
So it's actually the last one on the list.
Call sign combo box K5 RCS collapsed. Expanded. Collapsed. List. 400 and 145.1300 minus 0.6000. 400, 1,002, 100.
So I can program I can use either the 2-meter repeater, 440 repeater, or 1290 repeater. Now, what this is actually going to do,
440.5750 plus 5.0000.
see, that's going to actually it's going to put the receive and transmit frequency in my thing here.
DVAP hotspot checkbox not checked.
We'll get to that in a little bit.
Frequency edit read only. Selected 440.5750 plus 5.0000. RPT1 left paren. Source right paren. Edit read only. Selected K5 RCSB.
See, there's the KD5 RCSB for repeater 1.
RPT2 left paren. Destination right paren. Edit read only. Selected K5 RCSG.
That's the gateway.
Destination grouping. Talk checkbox checked.
Now, here's your 4 repeater commands. There's the one that you talk on.
Edit. Selected K5 RCST. K5 RCST. Echo checkbox checked. Edit. Selected K5 RCSE.
Just putting these
Status
all together.
checkbox checked. Edit. Selected K5 RCSI. Unlink checkbox checked. Edit. Selected K5 RCSU. Call sign radio button checked. Location left paren. City right paren. Radio button checked. Call sign routing edit multi-line. Blank. Apply to bank combo box link to repeaters collapsed. Expanded. Collapsed. Tree view. Level 0 repeaters not checked expanded 1 of 1. Level 1 Africa not checked collapsed 1. Level 0 repeaters not checked expanded 1 of 1. Level 1 Africa not checked collapsed. Asia, Europe Southern not checked collapsed. Canada,
Now, if I want to link to repeaters,
Africa, level 0
here I
repeat.
can do that, but I don't want to do that.
Reset button. Link to reflectors tree view. Reflectors not checked expanded 1 of 1 level.
Anyway, if I want to, I can link to reflectors. And then you can link to all of them, but you don't really want to do that.
Level 1 rep 00. Level 0 reflectors not checked expanded 1 of 1.
If you leave that unchecked, then you can go down here below this
Level
thing.
1 rep 001A London, England not checked 1 of 267.
So you have 267 reflectors you can get.
Rep 001B Illinois D star repeaters not checked 2. Rep 001C D star tick S mega repeater not checked 3 of. Rep 002A Southeastern US D star weather net not checked 4 of. Rep 002.
If I want to go onto a reflector,
Level 1 Rep 001B-Illinois D, Rep 001A-London, England not checked 1 of 2.
See, this tells you not only what it is, but where it is. I want to go to that one, so I'm going to check that.
Rep 001B-Illinois, space. Check. Rep 001C-D- star tick S mega repeater not checked 3 of 2, space. Rep 002A- southeastern US, Rep 002C- some nets not checked.
Anyway, I'm just going to go
Rep
down and check
004C- general rag chew left paren. Rep 004B- Texas permalink repeaters not checked, space.
So I've checked about 4. I can go onward.
Reset button. Starting channel number combo box 005 collapse. 0.
Now, I got a whole bunch of here, so I'm going to go down to
057. 060.
I want to go to 89.
078. 084. 089. 090.
I want to go to 90.
Auto increment checkbox checked. Apply button. Space.
I'll apply that.
Press.
Now look what happens.
Channel 006 receive frequency edit for channel.
Let's go down to
channel
80.
06. Channel 070.
Let's go down to channel 90.
Channel 086 receive frequency edit 432. Channel 089 receive frequency edit 440.57500.
Oh, now look
Channel
what happened.
090 receive frequency edit 440.5750.
It put my frequency right in channel 90.
Channel 090 transmit frequency. Channel 090 transmit frequency edit 445.57500.
There's my transmit frequency.
Channel 090 offset frequency combo box 5.00 MHz collapse.
There's my offset.
Channel 090 offset direction combo box plus collapse.
There's my offset direction.
Channel 090 operating mode combo box DR collapse.
There's my operating
Channel
mode.
090 name edit K5RCST.
Now, if I want what that's actually telling you is that's the talk channel. That's the one you use to talk to people with on this repeater. So I can either leave that name. So for the time being, I'm going to leave it.
Channel 090 tone mode. Channel 090 DCS.
So the more
Channel
important thing
090
here
step combo.
is going to be the
Channel
D-star.
090 digital code. Channel 090 RPT-1 call sign edit KE5RCSB.
See, look at that. That's the node. That's repeater 1.
Channel 090 RPT-2 call sign edit KE5RCSG.
There's a repeater 2, which is the gateway.
Channel 090 comment edit talk channel.
See, and it says talk channel. So you have talk channel,
Channel 091 comment edit echo test channel.
echo test,
Status channel.
channel,
Unlinked channel.
unlinked channel.
Rep 001A-London,
And then you go on down here and you have all of these reflectors that I put in that I wanted to check into. Okay. Anyway, hopefully this hasn't rambled on too much, but that's basically how you program these dadgum things. Now, if I want to, I can. It's the same with a hotspot. This thing has this where it's DV mega. You put in your, with this one you have to put in your simplex frequency, and then you do all of this other stuff, which is very similar. One drawback, though, is if you, in the hotspot channels, when you're programming in that way, when you go to RPT1 and RPT2, it doesn't put those in there. You have to manually put those in there. But anyway, that's still not too bad, because you can kind of go right on down through the list. When you find RPT1, you type it in, tab, RPT2, type it in. go down a line, type it in. But, in a matter of just a very few minutes, you can have several reflectors programmed into your D-Star radio. And it sure beats the heck out of doing them by hand. So that's to me is the selling point of this RT Systems, is this D-Star calculator. I didn't find anything quite like that in the Kenwood programming software. And I'm sorry, it kind of made a mess of some of these menus. Some of these menus, though, doesn't matter what you use, they're not accessible. Like the DTMF memories and the Echolink memories, it just doesn't really work. But that may kind of give you some idea of what this program is capable of. Once you get through with all of the programming, then you write the data to the radio.
Stop.
You can either go to
Gold wave control.
You can either go to the communications menu and write data to the radio, or you can hit a Control W and follow the prompts and write the data to the radio.
Gold wave row 1 control.
I will terminate this tutorial at this point. So this is November Echo 5 Victor 7-3 to all.